Hi guys, my name's Adam, but more importantly, this in front of me is the brand new Chaos X365 electric scooter. And today, we're going to be taking it out of the box and having a look what's inside. So, get the box open. So, get up, scooter up on the stand. So it also comes with your charger, two sides plugged together. You also get toolkit to put the scooter together with, plenty of bits of foam to keep it protected in the box. Take this off. So to put the scooter together, it's pretty simple. First, you're going to want to plug these wires together and connect the electrical components. Goes together as so, feeds back through the stem. So, again, there's a couple of bolts to put together, which you do get in the toolkit, which come in this little plastic bag here. So, should be 4 of these little black bolts, and you do get an extra spare one, I believe, and basically 2 in either side of the stem puts the scooter together. So I'm going to make sure threaded properly. Once you've got those in, make sure they're nice and tight, so the scooter doesn't break. And then as you put in the vehicle together, you're going to want to go over all the nuts and bolts across the vehicle, just make sure they're all tight. Make sure the scooter's safe to use. You're going to want to make sure the brakes are also set and working properly. Apart from that, you want to download the app for the scooter. Use the QR code at the top on the handlebars, as you see there. And that will have your scooter good to go. This off as well. Be careful not to scratch the scooter or yourself as you take this off, if you're using a knife like this one. There. So there you have it. There's the scooter unboxed. So you see it comes with the stem disattached at the top and also the folding mechanism folded down. You basically, to put it together, you're assembling the top here. And check the brakes, check the nuts and bolts across the vehicle, make sure everything's running nice and smoothly. And that's basically it. You've got your toolkit, you've got your charger, and user's manual as well. Make sure to read through that one. So here you have it. That's the Chaos X365 scooter unboxed and everything that you do get with the scooter. If this video has been helpful to you, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions about the scooter or any other products, please let us know in the comments. And if you would like us to do this for any other models, please also let us know. And we'll get onto that for you in the next video. Thanks.